Hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope that you will be fine, you will be okay. Welcome to another video. Today's video we will teach you that how to write the name of Hazrat Imam Ali alayhi salam. A lot of you have been asking me question in my TikTok and Instagram ID that how to write the name of Ali alayhi salam. So I thought I would make a special video on the same topic. So this video has been created on the same topic. Hope that this video would be useful for those who have been requesting me time and again. Let me start. I will make the first stroke. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah. This is first stroke. Let me start to write the second stroke of iron, which will be start from the starting point of first stroke, which is this. We have to put Qalam like this. While writing, we have to use the cut of Qalam downward. We have to drag it downward and turn it towards upside. We have to stop here. This is the point from where we have to connect third stroke of Ali. That's why I wanted to show you the position, the point where from where we have to connect third stroke. Again, repeat the Qalam towards downwards to make the size of lam equal with other strokes. From here I will create a tail, a little tail. Okay, let me show another with another curl. I will use here red color. No, from here I will create a little tail. What do we call tail? Isn't that? It's almost complete. No, I want to write ya, shorty. What we call in Urdu shorty. This is somehow difficult. We have to stop our breath as well while writing this, because this is totally different in shape. This is the starting point of ya. You can say connecting point as well. Let me write this. The Qalam flows downward and turns up. This is the depth point of ya, right? Now you can the ending. Let me start from the ending point, which is coming from inside. We have completed the drawing shape of Ali alayhi salam. Now I will show you the rules of calligraphy, Arabic calligraphy, by helping of noktas. Well, I have tried my level best to show the name of Ali alayhi salam in the form of nokta. So nokta, why we use nokta? We use nokta in order to make understand the learner, isn't it? So that is why while teaching we have to use this. This is a formula, you can say, as I have already told you. The height of the lam, height, this is the height point. It must be within approximately 5 to 7 noktas, isn't that? And thereafter, let me share the space inside from the point of connection. I'm talking about ya. Come to this position, this space, inside space. I'm talking about this space, the space inside from the point of connection is 1.5 nokta. You can see here 1.5 nokta. This space from this point to the depth point of the ya. This must be 1.5 nokta, isn't it? Thereafter, if I have already told you, this is the depth point of ya, isn't it? So let me I have tried my level best to show you here with the help of dots. This is the depth point of ya and the starting point of ya. This is the starting point of ya. So the depth of ya is approximately 2 nokta. You can see here already, isn't it? Or thereafter, this space, the ending point of ya to the starting point of ya must be within 3 noktas. You must write Ali like this way.